you?
I'm just about to leave the house now.
Well, you need to hurry up. And when you leave, be sure not to speed because there are cops everywhere, and I'm pretty sure you're going to get pulled over.
I'll be fine. Don't worry about it. I'm on my way now. I'm doing like 65 in a 30 or 20. I'm sorry, a school zone.
I told you. How many times have you do not speed? We're going to get pulled over.
I'm fine. Oh man. Oh no, there's a cop on my tail. I think I can outrun him.
Don't you get him? I don't think so. What are you going to do if you're in jail? No, pull over.
Alright. Okay, I guess I'm gonna pull over. I'll be there shortly. Bye. Alright, what you've just seen here, of course, is just a quick illustration of breaking the law. I'm late. There's obviously a 30-mile-per-hour speed limit. Then, of course, there's a 20 in a school zone. And yet I'm doing like 55, 60 miles an hour. And I get busted. I end up getting caught in the end. The same thing happens in our relationship with Christ. You know, those of us that are running from God. You know, we think that everything's going to be okay, that maybe God's not going to catch us. But of course, He's always everywhere. He's always watching us. And we're bound to get caught at one time or another. Our sin will find us out. So just remember to continue to keep in your walk with Christ, grounded, reading the Word, praying, whatever you can do. But don't try and outsmart God because He's always there.